Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is of great importance to all business owners out there: business financing. Whether you are starting a new venture or expanding your existing one, financing plays a vital role in the success of your business. It is often said that money makes the world go round, and this is especially true when it comes to the world of business. So, what exactly is business financing? In simple terms, it refers to the money and financial resources needed to run a business. This includes everything from funding for startup costs, purchasing equipment and inventory, to covering day-to-day expenses and managing cash flow. There are several different options available for business financing. One of the most common methods is to approach traditional lenders such as banks for a loan. However, this may not always be the best option, especially for small businesses or startups. Another popular option is to seek funding from investors. This can range from individual investors who believe in your business idea to venture capital firms that specialize in funding startups. However, it is important to note that seeking investment often means giving up a portion of ownership or control of your business. In recent years, alternative financing options have also become more prevalent. Crowdfunding platforms, for example, allow businesses to raise money from a large number of people who are interested in their product or idea. Additionally, there are online lenders that provide quick and easy access to funds, although they may charge higher interest rates. In conclusion, securing the right financing for your business is crucial for its growth and success. It is important to carefully consider all the available options and choose the one that best suits your needs and circumstances. And remember, while finance may seem daunting and complex, there are resources and professionals available to help guide you through the process. We hope you found this information helpful, and until next time, happy financing!